Well, today I am leaving from Langkawi and I have to say this is one of my best trips and one of my best shoots as well. I think I have liked everybody in the unit. I've had a great time. I think there are some amazing technicians I've worked with on this film, and personally and professionally this has been a great experience for me. If I speak about, firstly I'll speak about the producer, Mr. Vikram from Vega Entertainment. I think very rare to find such good producers, and I don't think I have a single thing to complain about from him. Whatever I've asked for, I have been kept comfortably, and he has not compromised on anything in the film. He has taken suggestions easily whenever we've given him any suggestion for the betterment of the film. So I think he is one producer to watch out for, and that, you know, any actor's delight. About the director, Rajkumar sir, well, I have dominated him and bullied him a lot in the film, but he's been very sweet. I have loved the story that he has done, Pooja. It's a very nice concept, and I'm sure people will like his work in the film. Then the cameraman has also done a brilliant job. Especially this film needs a lot of good camera work because it's a horror film, and I think he's done a brilliant job. My best experience in this shoot were the 3 days when I shot with William Wong, who is the action director, when I've done a lot of action stunts along with him, which I would never do if it had been any other action director. And I think he's done a brilliant job in the most shortest amount of time. Like, we've done an accident scene, I remember, which when you see you will be amazed, which I have done, which actually should have been done by Brigade, but I've done it because it was William Wong. And that scene, which is supposed to be short, will take 12 hours, was done in exactly 3 hours. So that is the brilliance of that. So, and you know, it was a simple accident which was made into such a big one. So I think I have never felt sad after a shoot, but I felt sad when William Wong left. So he has to be one of my favorite action directors. And if I produce a film or direct a film, I will definitely call him to do the action in my film. What else do I speak about? Well, I have to say something really important and scary. I've had a weird experience on this film. Although this is a horror film, I have felt something weird where I'm staying. Especially on the last day before, the night before I left, I have felt weird sounds outside my room. Kids, 2-3-year-old kids laughing outside my room. Noises coming, people banging on the bathroom door in spite of me being just with my hairdresser in the room. Weird sounds, weird knockings on the door. Pictures, I've seen pictures where it's come distorted and somebody else is there in the picture. So I really think Langkawi is a very haunted place, though it makes it very mysterious and interesting. But I am really, I would say I've had a very good shoot. And I'm sad that I'm leaving this place because it's a very pretty place, but at the same time I'm happy because I don't have to be encountering these ghosts and these haunted spirits anymore. So today is the last day and I'm going, and I have some more shoot left in Bangalore, and I'm looking forward to the shoot. But bye bye Langkawi right now, and bye bye to all the ghosts, and please don't follow me.
Gotten into this film as my entry into the South Indian film industry because all the people involved, the entire cast and crew, the entire team